Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to promote a Gumroad product on Pinterest. All right, so first up, we need to go ahead and set up a business account for our Pinterest. Okay, so on your Pinterest, open it up. If you want to convert your account to a business account, tap on your profile, tap on the gear icon, and then just go to account management. And then you would go ahead and tap on convert to a business account, and then just convert. Okay, go ahead and give it a profile name. Then tap on next. If you have a website, go ahead and write it down in here, and it will appear on your profile. So you could go ahead and add in your Gumroad account in this section if you want to. So let's say you cannot copy the link of your Gumroad profile right here under the Gumroad app. So you go ahead over to your browser and then go to gumroad.com/dashboard and log in with your account. Now just go to your profile, tap on share, copy the URL. Now go ahead and go back to Pinterest, tap and hold, paste. Next, select consumer or good or product or service or whatever you want to call yourself. All right. So next, would you ever be interested in running ads on a Pinterest? Yes or no? I'm not sure. Just select whatever you want from here. Now, you have the business account. All you got to do is just tap on a plus sign. You can start creating a pin, collage, or board. Say pin right here. Allow all. Select one of your Gumroad products, for example, this one, hit on next. Now, give it a title, for example, sample canvas, all right, description right here, and your link. So you want to go ahead and link it to your Gumroad product. So let's say we have here Gumroad from our browser. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines, go ahead over to your product, and then just copy the link of one of your products, all right? Say, for example, this one. Copy link, then go back to Pinterest. Now, once that's done, go ahead and do whatever you want right here from the settings, especially tag topics. Let's say canvas or mugs, just like so. Hit on done, and then create. All right, and there you have it. So when you go ahead and tap on your post right here, they can go ahead and tap on visit site, and it will lead them to the Gumroad's product page. There you go. So that's how simple it is to promote a Gumroad product on Pinterest. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.